Hello Lomzy team, welcome back to my channel Lomzy Sews. My name is Uloma Ezike. Today's tutorial will be on how to cut mesh illusion neckline. In my previous video, I made how to draft pattern for illusion neckline. Today's tutorial, I will show you what fabric I used to make this skin color illusion dress using mesh illusion fabric. If this is what you're looking for, then sit tight, grab your glass of juice and enjoy, because I'll be leaking my secret how I made this skin color illusion dress. And you consider subscribing to my channel because I upload sewing tutorials and DIYs on trending designs every week. Now for today's sewing tutorial, let's go sewing. So like I told you in the previous video, I made the pattern drafting for this bodice block. If you haven't watched that video, I'll be dropping the link in the description section below, so you go ahead and watch how I made the draft for this illusion neckline dress. But you can work with any pattern of your choice. I just want to get you a heads on how to cut this. Before we begin, I think the first thing we should know is what illusion is. Let's go and ask Google this. What is illusion? Now, from Google's explanation, it's simply a deception appearance or impression. So if we know this, that illusion is deception of appearance. So if that means our fabric needs to, or our illusion dress needs to be deceptive for us to believe that this is somebody's skin, right? So that is what we have to bear in mind, so that we'll be able to put that through from every inch of the way as we are going to be cutting this fabric, from the type of fabric we need for this illusion till the end on how to make it, on even how to sew your dress. So like I told you, I have already made this pattern. So what I will do now is that I'm going to be cutting out. So before I cut out, I will show you the type of fabrics that you need. There are different types of mesh fabric. You have to look out for the one that is close to the skin of your client. Like this one is for brown skin, yeah, but is lighter than my skin, as you can see. But this particular one is the one I use for my skin. You see how it disappears on my skin. This is the one I used. Yeah. So let me bring out the parts that we need our mesh fabric. This we need mesh fabric. We need mesh fabric for this. And this also is the sleeve. We need mesh fabric for these three. So I'm going to be cutting out these three first, and we go over to these other ones, the lower parts. So the illusion mesh I'm using is not stretchy. You see it's not stretchy. Yeah. I didn't add any sewing allowance when I was drafting the pattern for the dress. So now I'm going to be adding allowance to these sewing patterns. The other day I went live in case if you guys want to ask any question concerning anything, whether this illusion dress or any other video I have made that you have a question to ask. I thought if I come live, it will be easier for you guys to ask me any question on anything you don't understand. But you guys, you forced my hand, you didn't come. Nobody came for my live stream. So the few people that attended to the question I asked that I make a video on how to sew this trending illusion neckline instead of going live. But if you want, you can drop that in the comment section if you want me to be going online, so that you'll be able to ask me questions on any tutorial or any of the things I've done that you want to have an answer to. You can drop that in the comment section and let me know what you want, how you want me to help further. If you want me to be coming live, or you want me to do a premiere whereby I can also answer any of the questions you ask, but during the premiere it will be short because it will be a short video. It will not be as long as live stream. So you drop that in the comment section what you want me to do, so that I will serve you better. I want to connect with you, so tell me the best way to connect with you. You can also join my Facebook group, Sewing Tutorial by Lomzy. If you want to drop any picture or video of what you want me to make, I will be glad to do that for you. Sewing Tutorial by Lomzy. Yeah, so the next thing now to do is to go to the lower part, the bottom part of the illusion dress. Yeah, for this lower part, what you have to do is to make sure you get a fabric that is close to the skin. So that's why I chose this fabric. This is not a stretchy fabric, it doesn't stretch. It's a crepe. It stretches just a bit, it doesn't stretch that much. So it's not a scuba that I'm using. Now in the thumbnail, what I did was, after cutting out from this fabric, I had to place this on it to cut again. You see what you have here? Yeah, that's what I did. I used this fabric, placed on it after cutting out the lower part, and placed this on it and cut out again. But in the next video, I'll be showing you how to embellish on this. So I'm not going to be adding this fabric on top of this one. But if is that the one on my thumbnail you want to make, just the lower part, you add this one to it. Just continue watching this video so that you understand everything on how I did this. So for today's tutorial, so that I have something I'm working with the next time when I'm going to be embellishing, I'm not going to be cutting with this lace. But as you can see, this is the lace I use for the lower part of my illusion dress. So I am going to be cutting this, but I'm not going to be adding this to this. I hope you get that. So this is the back. I'll be placing it like this, and this is the front. This is the center front. This is the center front. So I am going to be placing it here on fold, and this I am going to be leaving sewing allowance for the zipper allowance. So that's how I'm going to be cutting this way. So I'll be adding allowances to this and cut them out. I'm not going to be cutting any lining for this. Yeah, I'm not cutting any lining for this lower part. Remember, this is the back, so this would be going in here like this. You see that? This will be going in here like that. The next thing is to cut for the upper part of the front. And for this upper part, I am going to be cutting lining for this. So the difference between this upper part and the lower part is that I'm going to be adding lining to this upper part, and I have also added interfacing to this. Remember, there will be illusion fabric on this side of the front. So let me cut this out and show you.
So if you haven't still subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead and do so below and hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my video. And you can share my video out to your social media handles. If you don't know how to share video from YouTube on your social media handle, I will be dropping that at the end of this video so you know how to share videos. share with love, share with pride.
So you go ahead and join this. In my next video, I'm going to be showing you how to embellish your illusion dresses. Hit the notification bell icon so you don't miss any of my sewing tutorial. Now for today's sewing tutorial, thank you, bye bye, and God bless.
To copy a video you want to share, if you go down you will see share. Click on that share button and it will take you to this place. You click on the copy link. When you copy the link, you have copied the video link you want to share on any social media. Then go to your social media, like I'm going to my Facebook group where they write something. On that place, you paste the link you have copied. You see it here. Paste it here where you want to type, and the video that you have copied would be pasted here. See how simple this is? Look at the video you just copied. It has pasted there. So that's how to copy and paste a video link that you want to share on your social media handles. Go ahead and share videos. Share with love. Share with pride. Thank you for watching.